Ever wished you could have your own editable playground of a project you found on GitHub? Let's dive into how to clone a repository from GitHub in under 2 minutes. First, navigate to the GitHub repository you want to copy. Look for the big green code button. It's usually located near the top right of the repository page. Just above the file list, click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, providing several options. Make sure the HTTPS tab is selected. It's generally the easiest method for beginners. Now, copy the URL that's displayed. This is the address we'll use to tell Git where to find the repository. Next, open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to the directory where you want to save the project. You can use the cd command followed by the directory path. For example, you might type cd documents, projects. Now, type the command git clone followed by the URL you copied from GitHub. So it would look something like git clone https://github.com/username/repository. Aim git, press enter. Git will now download the entire repository to your local machine. You'll see a progress bar and a list of files being transferred. This might take a few seconds or minutes, depending on the size of the project and your internet connection. Once the cloning is complete, you'll have a complete copy of the repository on your computer. You can now navigate into the project directory and start making changes, experimenting, and contributing. That's all there is to cloning a repository from GitHub. Now you have everything needed to start working and experimenting locally.